internet has certainly evolved over the years. In the 90s and early aughts, we had Web 1. It was the internet of blogs, message boards, and early portals like AOL. Most people used Web 1 to read web pages with no interactive features. Then came Web 2 in the mid-aughts. Around then, the internet we use now. People creating and posting their own content on websites like Twitter, Facebook, and the rest. They're actively participating on the internet rather than just reading passively web pages. Soon, the experts say, there'll be a whole new version that they call, creatively, Web 3. Developers are saying it'll be more open and decentralized version of the internet. And that means users will have the power to own their content and data. Now, companies are recruiting workers to be part of a next generation of the internet. Here's CNBC's Kate Rogers.
Super compatible. Super performing.
As companies rush to build in Web 3, opportunities are cropping up from startups and crypto companies to old guard technology firms. Job boards show thousands of listings for Web 3 and crypto positions in both tech and non-tech roles. Avra Talent is actively recruiting for more than a dozen high-growth startups and says post-pandemic hiring has more than doubled as the race for talent is on. And if you're not an engineer, that's not a problem. Opportunities are available for different skill sets.
There's a ton of positions we're hiring for, including community managers, content, marketing, pretty much anything that has to do with communication. That's a really big part of, in the early days of Web3 and crypto where we are, is helping communicate with everyone else about what a project does, what a company does.
The nature of Web 3 also allows for remote opportunities and recruiting all over the world instead of hiring tied to one or two major cities like Miami or San Francisco. Salaries are competitive and can be higher than traditional tech or finance roles, Donovan said. Some Web 3 leaders are also leaving established companies to work on this new version of the web. Ryan Wyatt is former head of gaming at YouTube and says the opportunity to create something new at Polygon Studios lured him to Web 3. He's looking to grow his division to 100 employees, and the biggest criteria is passion for the space and the ability to learn, not necessarily a background in cryptocurrencies.
The reality is all of us are learning, and we're kind of doing that every single day. And so I'm just looking for people with strong backgrounds in these kind of traditional roles that have scratched their kind of crypto curiosity and are ready to kind of make a jump into this burgeoning new industry.
Web3 is an exciting space, but it also has its critics. Some working in it admit it's the Wild West in a burgeoning industry, which brings into question the idea of stability in these positions for the long haul, despite how much opportunity and VC money there is flowing into the space today.